Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we have a pretty short one. It's really simple, super easy spiderweb nails. So I've already made my white base coat on the model that I have here. It took about 2 layers of paint, which I feel like is pretty standard when doing nails. For the spiderwebs, I started by making 3 lines, went about 1/3 to halfway down the nail, 1 center stripe, and then 2 other lines that come off of that in kind of a Y shape. I am using a brush that is made for nail detailing. You can pick these up at pretty much any beauty supply store. A lot of drugstores or big box stores have theirs too. I've had mine for so long I'm not quite sure where I got it. So then I'm going back in to the nail and I'm putting in my webbing. To make these, we're drawing small lines between each one of our vertical lines. We're drawing small horizontal lines. For it to look most believable, you're going to want to have it dip downward toward the cuticle, like it's sagging just a little bit. I put about 2 to 3 lines in between each section. It really depends on how much space you have on your nails and how good you are with a small precision item. When I moved onto her thumb, I did do my 3 standard lines, and then I did black and white by the edge of her cuticle just to fill some of that extra space since your thumbnail is quite a bit bigger. And after all of that is finished, I put a top coat on it and we have some beautiful, easy DIY spiderweb nails.
Hi folks, if you liked today's video, please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. If you don't do it for me, do it for my cute dog. Sometimes he likes costumes. Today he bites.